My curiosity question is, will human teleportation ever become reality?
Teleportation has always been science fiction, but with advanced technology in the future, will we ever be able to make it a reality?
Teleportation exists today, but not the kind you think. Human teleportation is yet to become reality, but quantum teleportation already is.
Quantum teleportation is a teleportation of small particles, and we've only been able to teleport photons, not atoms. A photon is a particle of light that has zero mass, and so it is not made up of atoms. Also, since photons are particles of light, light is a form of energy, and energy is not made of atoms, so it is not matter. Properties of a quantum particle include the position, momentum, and the intrinsic spin. If the information of all the properties of every atom in an object could be found, sent to another scientist who has atoms for the same chemical elements with the same properties of the elements, then the exact same object could be created.
So, in simpler terms, a copy of an object could be created from the atoms of the original object.
But quantum states are not easy to measure. The position and momentum of an electron of an atom cannot be measured at the same time. However, with quantum entanglement, two electrons are connected or entangled together and so are the same. So even if the distance changes, the momentum of the entangled electrons will remain the same. Einstein called quantum entanglement spooky action at a distance because both electrons are mimicking each other without being connected by any force. China teleported the first photon from the Earth to orbit, which is 1,400 kilometers away, using quantum entanglement on July 14, 2017. To teleport a human being, you'd have to exchange billions of entangled pairs of particles and send that information as well.
The information you would have to send would include the person's physical body and their memory. You would have to send this information to another scientist so that the scientist can create a clone version of you.
The body is made up of trillions of cells, and each cell is much more complex than a single photon.
Not just that, but during teleportation, the original copy is always destroyed to create a new copy of the individual. To wrap this all up, quantum teleportation exists today, and humans have teleported a photon to a satellite 1,400 kilometers away. Photons are particles of light that do not contain atoms. To teleport something, the original is destroyed and a clone is formed. Humans are very complex, so teleportation is possible in the distant future, but when human teleportation does become reality, there will be many ethical issues. Thank you for listening to my video on teleportation.